Hi guys, meet Zlick, the effortless paywall to maximize conversions and increase revenue. Zlick helps you to power up your WordPress with subscriptions. Let's now take a look at the inside. So if you want to engage your users in a local language, then you can change the widget language here. So all your customers will see a paywall in the local language. We can enable any language. You can set up a single article price or monthly subscription. You can give discounted price for first month. The payment widget automatically uses your website styles, fonts, fade colors to provide a seamless fit into your site. But don't worry, you can manually change the primary color to give some accent to the widget. Create Stripe account for secure card payments. Seamless payments via Apple Pay and Google Pay will be included in your account. In addition, you can send emails from your own domain, so they will seem more authentic and personalized. Here you can customize your own welcome email. And also you can customize your own marketing email, where you can get feedback from your subscribers and you can upsell your upcoming projects and events. Now here you can manage your subscribers. You can cancel any subscription at any time. See the full list of subscribers here. Search subscribers if needed, and you can add them manually. Subscribers can cancel their subscription if needed from their dedicated portal. For you, that means less support load. All analytics in one place. You can see new subscribers, new purchases, top content by sales. So you can see which content sells the best and create more. Also insights from the past weeks, so you won't miss any important number. You can choose where you want to place the paywall and how many paragraphs are visible. You can turn on the widget one by one, or you can do it with the bulk action. So all your articles can be monetized with 2 clicks.